Alright guys, I'm Josh Arias. I am an artist, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of spray painting for you guys. So the spray paint that I use is a brand called Belton, and I get this paint from Germany. It's really good stuff. First thing you want to do when you get your can, you want to shake it. A lot of people do is just like up and down. All that's doing is really, it's going to build up that air pressure in your can. So what you want to actually do, you want to shake it to the sides. So there's these little balls inside that are going to mix the paint and the pigment. So you want to shake it like this to the sides, because there's like paint and like pigment on the like sides of the can. So you want to get that nice and mixed up. Then what you want to do, you get your two fingers, you do a little peace sign, put them on top of your can, put your can upside down, and you get a little shaking motion. That's going to mix up the paint real nice. Then you want to spray it out. Make sure your paint is going. I think we're good. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to do a quick like throw up piece. And basically what it is, I'm going to do a basic outline, do a fill and a fade, and then I'm going to outline it and do some little highlights and stuff. So what I'm starting out with, I'm going to start with a color that I could easily cover up. I'm just going to do my basic drawing. I write hope. So I'm going to do that right now. So in this step, there's really no messing up. You're just kind of sketching. You're just kind of getting your doodle in here. So I kind of have my basic doodle in right there. At this point, I usually try to pick a few colors that I like. So I'm going to do a fade from maybe like a darker blue into a lighter blue. And with these paint cans, they usually come with caps. So I use some caps that go from really thin to really thick. So you're able to get a little bit easier of a time trying to fill in your stuff. So right now I'm using kind of like a medium-sized tip. Like I said, we're just kind of getting a little fill in here with some color. And slowly we're getting rid of this name Naomi right here. Shout out to our friend Naomi who's helping out. And it looks pretty good for that color. Then we're going to go in here with a lighter blue. Almost looks like white, probably for you guys, but it's kind of a light blue. Something like that. Right now, yeah, it might look messy, but once we get our black outline in there, it'll look real nice. Kind of have a fill here. At this point, you can always come back and just make some lines a little more crisp if you have some overspray. Or if you want to get your fade a little nicer here. Something like that. We'll come in here and do our outline. This is actually my favorite part, is to get my outline in. Just makes it pop. Something like that. Then you can just come in and have fun with it with other colors. Add some little kind of fun things in here. So I can do little dots. Just get a little pop of color. Get a little dot for every little homie right here. And we can maybe do like a little cool drip on these so it looks kind of I'd always tell people don't worry about overspray because you could always come back and fill it in. Just a little drip so it looks like it's kind of oozing down. Something like that. Clean up our black. And we can come in here and finish up with a little bit of white highlight. Something like that. Put a little star or something. Do some little highlights on this little oozy stuff. And if we want, we can even outline this little green stuff so it pops out a little bit more. It's really all about having fun, trying to make something look cool. I would sometimes come in here and just add extra little bits so it looks like these are kind of cut up into pieces. Something like this. And then you sign your piece. I always sign my piece as Hope. Boom. And I think we're good.